Guys, we're going to look at the next one here, and the Rhythm Workshop, Mo Funk by Jesse Gress. Let me turn the amp on. Sorry about that. And so the first one, what we're going to look at is the chords. Again, different set of chords. We're going to play a D7 sus4. And how we make that is, first of all, let's make a D7. That'd probably be the best thing. That's the second chord. Have your first finger bar across the 5th fret on the covering the A to the high E string. Okay, remember to bar, just use the side of your finger and keep it close to the fret. Have your 3rd finger on the 7th fret on the D string, and then your pinky will be on the B string 7th fret. That's a D7 chord. And then we have a D7 suspended, and how we do that is we just move our pinky, which is on the B string 7th fret, move it to the 8th fret. That's a D7 sus4. So here we have a D7, D7 sus4. Okay. Now we're looking at example 2A. The figures are a little bit different. This will be a dotted dotted 8th note followed by a 16th and then a single 16th on B2. So the pattern is going to go 1E and a 2, 3 and a 4. 1E and a 2, 3 and a 4. If you have this of June 2013 issue on page 79, example 2A, guitar player, you'll just see a dot over top of beat 2, and that means staccato. So we want that fairly staccato. So we're going to go 1 and 2. So we want to make sure that we're muting that. 1 E and a 1 E and a 2. Okay, that's what we want. 1 E and a 2. 1 E and a 2. 1 E. Oh my gosh, I'm troubled with this. 1 E and a 2. Because I don't usually do the clicks in the between, so this is new to me. 1 E and a 2. Again, 1 E and a 2. 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 and a 3 E and a 4 E and. Okay, let's try it again. 1 E and a 2 and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2. I'm just playing the D sus4 chord here, by the way. So again, 1 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2, 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2, 3 E and a 4. Now let's go to the D7. 1 E and a 1 E and a 2 and a 3 E and a 4 E. All together, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and, so I played the D7 sus, and I'm going to go to the D7. 1 E and a 2 and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2, 3 E and a 4 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 E and a 1. Now let's try it without the clicks in there. So 1 E and a 2 and a 3 E, and remember to keep that right hand going. 1 and a 2 and a 3 E and a 4 E and 1 and a 2 and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 and a 2. Let's do it a little bit faster. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 E and a 1 and a 2. 3 and a 4 E and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 E and a 1 and a 2. Alright, let's do this a bit slower. Let me just get it so you can see things a little bit better here. Move back a bit. So you're going to go 1 E and a 7, 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4 E and 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4 E and so that's for example 2A. Now let's see at the next one.